Hey guys, what's up? My name's Megan. We're coming at you today with some bar basics from Atlanta, Georgia. And today we're making green tea shots. So what you're gonna need to make green tea shots is gonna be bourbon, peach schnapps, and sour mix. In this case, I'm gonna make my own sour mix. And then Sprite. If you don't have sour mix, but you do have lemon juice, lime juice, and a little bit of simple syrup, that's sour mix. In case you didn't notice, there's nothing to do about green tea in these shots at all. They kind of taste like green tea a little, they look like green tea, kind of, but they do slap. So here's how you can bring the bar to your home in these trying times. So we're gonna start, and it's basically equal parts of everything. Starting with the sour mix, I'm gonna do an ounce of everything. A little bit of simple syrup, a little bit of lemon juice, a little bit of lime juice. Bourbon of choice, we're using Evan Williams. Ain't nothing wrong with that. There's peach, an ounce of that as well. And then you're gonna shake it up. Pour them into your shot glasses. And then last thing you're gonna do is top it with a little Sprite, lemon lime soda, whatever you want, citrusy, bubbly. And that is as simple as that. That is your green tea shot. I did make 2 of them. I ain't gonna have this alone. Cheers. And that is just plain delightful. So easy to make. You don't have to be plastered at 3 a.m. downtown to have a green tea shot, is all I'm saying, you know what I mean? Not that I would do that. I would never do that, actually.